being that close to it. Because it's way over here, and you're way over there. We're protected by Elvis Steel.
Okay, folks, this is missile number 10. It was the 10th missile that came off the assembly line of the Martin Marietta Company just outside of Denver, Colorado, and it was taken directly to the Sheppard Air Force Base in Wichita Falls, Texas. Lived its entire life as a training facility for the Titan II crews. Has never had any propellant put aboard. We produced something over 140 of these missiles, and the 54 of them went into the 54 missile sites around the United States. 18 here, 18 Wichita, Kansas, 18 Little Rock, Arkansas. Now, the